All right, that's when I feel a difference. I've recently been on a journey to try and find bushings that will help the transmission and help my Subaru feel better in just driving applications. I recently came across these transmission cross-member bushings. They were super cheap. They're about 50 bucks. This is the KARTBOY version. There's a couple other brands out there that sell the exact same thing, but I went with the KARTBOY as I already have the KARTBOY short throw shifter and along with some of the bushings to go with that. We're gonna find out if these actually make a difference. First, we gotta get the car in the air. Should be relatively easy to install. A couple bolts, swap these out, and we'll be driving and see if it actually makes a difference. Let's get the car in the air. Let's make sure it's up safely. And let's get wrenching. Let's do it. We have the car up in the air. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little sketchy putting this car on jack stands on this driveway because this driveway sits at an angle. So when having to get to something in the front, it kind of sucks because the front doesn't go that high. If we had to get underneath the back, dude, I mean, look at that. There's so much space. But we are going up front underneath. It's gonna be tight, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it happen. Let's get to it. So as of right now, I believe we are looking for a 14. We're also going to grab a deep socket in case. Not gonna lie, it's gonna be pretty damn tight in here. So what we're looking to replace is replacing these bushings right here. I believe we're replacing these ones as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with taking this cross member off. 14. Hell yeah. Dude, these DeWalt tools get jammed. And then you gotta hit them on the ground. Oh my God. I took these off literally like a week and a half ago because I was doing the KARTBOY shifter bushings, which I actually only ended up getting one in because the other one was such a pain I wasn't able to do. So you'd think these wouldn't be, I mean, good on me for tightening them. They're not that bad. Just a little bit of effort though. Now I am not by all means a very big person, about 5'11", 170, but goddamn is it getting tight in here. All right, switching to the deep socket. Now before we take these middle cross member bushings out, let's get these 2 on each side. Let's get these bolts out. This is what comes out of it. This blue bushing is what we will be replacing. Oh, that's what we're looking for. Oh, look at that. So much easier, dude. Oh, look at that. That is what we needed. Man, so this is what the cross member looks like. I'm not gonna lie, they're a tiny bit thicker, but they're about the same in terms of like durability and flexibility. So more of a reason, we'll see if they actually make a difference. Just like that. You pull it out, you got these blue polyurethane bushings this way, so we'll do it the exact way that it came. Comes through. Go throw it in the car. I left this a little loose so that way there's just room for adjustment when we're tightening it. The cross member is back in officially. The bushings are swapped out. It is good to go. We're gonna go on a test drive, see if we can actually feel a difference. This is the moment of truth. Let's find out. Let's find out if they're actually worth it. This transmission already has the KARTBOY short throw shifter on it. And it also has one of the bushings that goes with it. It has the fork bushing. I'm not really sure exactly what you call that, but it does have that bushing in. I tried doing the other bushing as well, the one that goes up against the frame, and that one was so hard to get in. So this gearbox is already super notchy, which is amazing. So far it feels pretty much the same. I wonder if it would feel better underneath a lot more load, because that's probably when the transmission is a lot more susceptible to flexing, and these bushings are supposed to reduce that. But so far, just driving, I think it feels the same. Some low leak, hell yeah. I mean, the gearbox still feels amazing, so it definitely didn't make it worse. We'll do a pull right up here once we get around this roundabout. Do a little third gear pull. See maybe if it feels different in some higher RPMs. Actually, we'll do a second gear pull. That's when I feel a difference. I think when the transmission is under more load and there's a lot more vibration going on with those new bushings, that's when it's more sturdy. That felt better. Every single gear I went into, I went in from second all the way to sixth. Every single gear was super crisp. Wow. For 50 bucks, and seriously, it maybe took an hour's worth of work, and it wasn't that hard. A little bit of manual labor, breaking some bolts loose, not bad. I would say they're definitely worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I haven't really done like an installation video in a while, so I hope you guys enjoyed. We still have a tons more content coming, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe if you guys are enjoying. I love you guys. I'll see you guys next time.